Hoy estamos visitando la ciudad de TULUM. Bienvenido a Jam-Packed Cooking. Mi nombre es Chef Ray and Mr. Money. Today, we visit TULUM. It's gonna be nice, beautiful, informative about TULUM. It's an ancient city in Mexico. So listen, gear up, get your best walking shoes on because we're doing a lot of walking. Oh, and we swimming in the ocean. Vámonos!
TULUM belongs to the post-classical late or the decadent, one of the last Mayan cities that was abandoned on the peninsula of Yucatan. When the first Spaniards came, TULUM was still the beginning of the 15th century, so TULUM was still active like a trading port that TULUM used to be. So one of the last Mayan cities that was abandoned. So TULUM was abandoned in 1540, then 300 years later in 1840, when TULUM was rediscovered, so the place was completely covered by the forest, by the vegetation. TULUM was not destroyed by the Mayans or the Spaniards.
Today we visited TULUM. We just made it. It's about, I think it's 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, but it's supposed to be a lot of fun and educational today. But we're here, TULUM, Mexico. Let's go, good people. We might even get in the water today, you hear me?
And take a look, this is structure, so this one was in a house with a flat roof. Sometimes the same house. It was used like a cemetery. You know, that was a tomb, used like in a tomb. And inside the archaeologists, so they recovered from this one a skeleton, pottery, traces of, with traces of food. Please.
Okay. Jam-packed cookers. I got something to bring back. The piece. What these was built out of.
So cenote is also the phonetical deformation another Mayan word. Sonot. So that's the Mayan word. Sonot. That the Mayan language means this. Sinkhole or stone. So that's that. Cenote.
We swim in the cenote.
You did?
Yeah.
On the way to Chichen Itza?
And he was telling us about
this one is on the small one.
Yeah. Jam-packed cookers, y'all gotta keep up. If you're gonna be on this tour with Chef Ray, Mr. Money, y'all gotta keep up. I hope y'all really enjoying this, man. Listen, if you are, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, because we're in TULUM.
Well, so this is the universe. Well, now with symbols. It's symbol of the supra world. This is it. Okay, triangle, but pointing up. Symbol of the infra world. This one. Same triangle, but inverted triangle. And symbol of time. This is it. Circle. That was symbol of time. Or concentrical circles. So that's the symbol that the Mayans used for the hierarchies of degrees of power. Spiral, symbol of infinity or extension, and symbol of limit or space. Square. Okay. So the Earth, what the Mayans was conceive it like a huge platform, flat. So that's why the perfect symbol of the earth was on the square. But the Mayans, they divided the earth. So they believe that the earth was divided into four. Why? Four? Because each subdivision, it was considered one house of the sun. Women, island, Isla de las Mujeres. And that's why the name, because when Francisco Hernandez de Córdoba, on his way to Cabo Catoche, so he discovered the island, and when he saw on the island, you will see this, well, there is one representation, image of the goddess of fertility. This was the temple inside. It has an original paintings, 750 years old, and everything which is represented inside in those paintings are related to the fertility. Flowers, fruit, snakes, in the sun is a snake, and those images of the Mayan deities. One of them is the goddess of fertility, and over there I said that she was white of Itzamna. That niche on the top, you see? Some figure with sophisticated and elaborated headdress. So an important political role is leader in TULUM. Down there is one niche at the middle with some figure which is upside down. And beautiful.
TULUM is a town on the Caribbean coastline of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. It's known for its beaches and well-preserved ruins of an ancient Mayan port city. The main building is a large stone structure called El Castillo Castle, perched on a rocky cliff above the white sand beach and turquoise sea. Near the ruins is the Parque Nacional TULUM, a coastal area with mangroves and cenotes, natural limestone sinkholes.
Oh my God, todo loco. Let's take a dip, man. Y'all ready? Yeah! These waves coming in heavy right now. I feel like a shark got me on my feet. Swimming with sharks today, man. Stingrays, sharks, all that. Listen, man, this is TULUM, ancient city in Mexico. Relax, kick back, and enjoy. Woo! Feel good out here, man. TULUM, Mexico has been nice. Temperature of the water is good. It's refreshing. It's not too cold, not too warm. I really want to be out there on the boat with them. I want you to smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. If you were swimming in the ocean with Chef Ray, Mr. Dinero, we going under. Woo, this is the ocean, baby. Catch the wave. Woo! Welcome to Mexico, baby. Yes. Right now, I promise you, subscribe to the channel because it's just getting started. It's just getting started. A lot more trips planned, a lot more delicious food, and a lot more todo loco. Todo loco. No man aquí. Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Out. All right, man, that was TULUM. Mexico. But I hope y'all enjoyed that. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Cause we always total local, especially when we're in Mexico. Hope you learned a lot. Now you can go and show your people and tell your people about what Chef Ray, Mr. Money told you. But that's all we got for today. Until next time, good people, great people. Y'all stay jamming and cooking. Peace and love.